Hello everyone. In our junk journal box this month, you will receive a beautiful assortment of fabrics tied with ribbon and washi tape. Inside your manila folder, you'll receive a craft paper envelope with some stickers, vellum pieces, buttons, vintage game cards. These are some cutouts from a cardstock paper pack that you can reuse for tags. You will receive 12 6x6 cardstock sheets from the collection, Bo Bunny's collection, Only You. It is a cute collection, beautiful colors. You can make a small album, a small junk journal. You could take the pages and sew them together to make them longer pages. You'll also receive 5 tea-dyed papers, 8.5 by 11. You'll receive 15 journaling cards. They measure about 2 by 3 inches. Some postcards and a word sheet, and you can cut out the sentiments. You'll also receive some vintage pattern paper. It's a pretty good size piece, as well as a piece of the instructions for the pattern. And also this is some wedding themed tissue paper. I just thought it was really pretty. I love the colors and the sound. So you will receive that in this month's junk journal box. In our This and That mystery kit, we have this beautiful stick pin that I created myself, where we wrapped the goodies with the sari silk and then, fastened it with the stick pin. You'll receive a bag of goodies, glitter, threads, stickers, resin pieces, all kinds of goodies, vintage book pages, this napkin, also a silver envelope with some goodies inside. We've got some vellum pieces, alphabet stickers, rub-on transfers. So I hope that you will check out our website, danagirlsdesigns.com. Use our code GRAND20 to save 20%. Thank you so much for watching.